In this video, I want to explain Kittl's new feature called Agentic. Agentic is an AI mode that can take your simple prompt and enhance it while filtering through and selecting the AI image model that best fits the task. If you're familiar with how our normal prompt panel settings look and work, or familiar with any image gen tool, you know you have to pick the right model, pick the aspect ratio, the amount of images you want, and this is on top of writing a prompt that works for the image model you selected, and not all of them are good at the same thing. So what we did is try to create some logic in the back end that uses AI writing skills to take your prompt, synthesize what you want, and then go through the database of third-party AI integrations to pick out and generate the best outcome. Now, Agentic is not a new or custom AI image gen model. You can see all the image gen models that are integrated in Kittl via our normal image or video panel. So with this in mind, we added a spot over on the right panel where you can see how your prompt was enhanced and which model Agentic chose for you. Now, it's always best to double check this to make sure that one, you got the outcome that you wanted and why, because you want to know what worked. And two, if it's not, or if there's a problem, you can troubleshoot it by maybe choosing a different model or going and rewriting that enhanced prompt. AI is not perfect, even though it might think that it is, and we all know that these individual models still have quirks and factors that will cause things to look strange or wrong, hence double checking. All right, so what can Agentic do? Right now it can generate up to 4 images or videos at a time. We're planning to increase that number soon. It can utilize a reference image or images to iterate or mock up or change or vary a design. For example, if you have a design already and a product image, you can select both of those and simply prompt Agentic to mock up the design from image 1 to the shirt of image 2. You could even tell it to change the background of that mockup if you want. Then you could even take that image and create more mockups, or maybe listing photos or ads, and Agentic can read the size in your prompt. So if you say square, it knows to use 1 by 1. If you pick horizontal, it knows to use 1920 by 1080. You can even give it directions to create 3 or 4 different sized photos because it will take your prompt and understand that logic. It's not best practice to go screenshot a whole ton of stuff on the internet and then ask Agentic to try to make something new, because Agentic just picks the AI image models that we integrated, and some of those still make things that look extremely similar, which you do not want for a variety of reasons. Now, if you're struggling with where to start, Kittl has a ton of templates you can choose from. You can even ask Agentic to iterate on those, or just start with a prompt and give it the context of what you're trying to create. Maybe it's a t-shirt, candle, coffee package, then you can iterate on it from there. There's so much you can do now in less time, because I'm sure you didn't start a business or a POD shop just to learn how to rewrite prompts all morning. And that's on top of going and watching videos on which model is the best to use for what. And that's why we worked on Agentic and still working on it to do the heavy lifting for you. Now, like most AI things that we launch, Agentic is in beta. So again, it's not perfect. AI makes mistakes. I think every AI tool has some sort of disclaimer like that, especially when generating stuff. So always have that in the back of your mind. If you're getting into massive issues or something looks really weird, you can easily chat with our support team. We don't want you wasting a ton of tokens. Of course, we don't want you making bad looking things, but we've had a ton of great feedback already, allowing us to make Agentic even better. So if there's something that you want it to do that it can't right now, comment down below and I'm going to share that with the team. Now, while you're down there, we'd appreciate it if you also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss videos like this or other tutorials as well. And of course, we're looking forward to seeing what you make in Agentic and in Kittl for the future. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.